I'm making little granny square Christmas tree ornaments. These are super easy, especially with these really fast and quick granny squares using the Red Heart all-in-one granny square yarn. So once you have your squares made, you just have to fold them, add a little tree trunk. I glued on a little star button. Got these from Amazon. I will leave the link to those. And then we stitch up the back. And you leave a little loop so you can hang it on the tree or use it as a gift topper, whatever you decide. So here's one of the granny squares I just made on video. So all we need to do is you can use either side, and we're just gonna fold it like this so you have a point at the top, and then you're going to fold up the bottom like so. All right, take whatever color, it actually doesn't matter, but whichever color was on your last round there. I'm just going to be taking a strand of white yarn and my tapestry needle to stitch this one up. I used black yarn for this one. Okay, so all you need to do is, and see how this one kind of folds over. I'm really not even going to bother sewing those ends because all we need to do is kind of just connect that there. Leave a little bit of a strand at the bottom because we are going to have to weave that in. Once you have that, you can do kind of like a whip stitch or just weave back and forth. Just like this. Till we get to the top. And just about one more there. Now I want to just leave a little loop. So I'm kind of just going to loop it like this. And leave a loop at the top. Let's see, I'm going to leave it just about like that. Now weave this part in. Okay, so you can clip that off. Oop. And then you can leave the loop like this, or I just kind of make one little extra knot there at the bottom, just like that. Okay, so cute. And then you're just going to want to weave in this end piece. If you want, you can kind of stitch up these sides or not. You could even hide a little treat in there or something, maybe a gift card. There's my, up to you. So just kind of finish, you know, weaving this end in. Kind of stitch one side. And then kind of weave it through. Head over to this other side. It doesn't have to be perfect. And again, you could kind of leave a little bit open if you wanted. You could leave a whole side open. All right, you guys get the idea. Now, turn it over. You have your little Christmas tree shape. I'm going to take a strand of the brown yarn. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver. It's basically the same weight as this granny square yarn, so it works really well as a complementary yarn to pair with it for these little extras, or if you're, you know, doing something, you want to mix some solid colors in with it, this is a good yarn to use. So I'm just going to find that middle kind of stitch here at the bottom. There's like a little space, and I know I can get my hook in there. Let's see what I did here. I think I did. Yeah. Okay. Just checking. So I'm just kind of putting my hook in here, joining in this brown yarn for a little tree trunk. 2, chain 3. We're going to make 4 double crochets right here in this same spot. 2, 3, 4. Now chain 3. Join back down to that same spot. Fasten off. You have your little tree trunk. We're just going to weave in those ends. This is the little strand where we joined in our yarn, so I'm just going to weave that in right on the back side of that trunk. Same with this one. Let's go back down here. And maybe back up. Okay. Now you can get some little fun buttons. Again, I got these on Amazon. I'll leave the link. You could stitch these on, and you need a little, this tapestry needle is going to be too big for that. Or you could just hot glue one on. I like this purple one, actually. So you could just use a dab of hot glue. And how cute. Let that dry. And there you have it. Your cute little granny square Christmas tree. Eek, I love them. So many different shades of this new granny square yarn. So you can make trees in all different colors. Really cute for the holiday season. Hope you enjoy. I'm going to leave all of the links below and on repeatcrafterme.com.